got? What's on your favorite list?
All right, got it.
Or favorites, or just, you know.
Yeah, I got it.
Things out there.
I do like these ones because it's just something that I'm interested in most of them. So again, that's why I titled it, "What Pools Should Be Inside of BeesSocial?" And these are, like I said, it doesn't mean that they're going to be, but these are the ones that I just, I like, because there's things that, like Tim said, games. Like I said, more things about privacy and just how blockchains, are going to change the way things work. But this Enjin coin, and this is my one, off the wall one you probably never even heard of, right? Enjin coin is a cryptocurrency for virtual goods. It's the largest gaming community platform online, with over 250,000 gaming communities and 18.7 million registered gamers. That's a lot of gamers, right? And there's also reasons where I do it too, because we always want to build our community. That's why I kind of like certain ones too. So they've been given the official nod by Japan Virtual Currency Exchange Association. It's a self-regulatory body, so they're more accepted over in the country of Japan, by regulatory bodies. It's a payment gateway. Additionally, the Enjin Coin SDK includes a decentralized payment gateway. We always talk about that. I'm always about decentralized. Virtual goods, the largest value Enjin Coin brings to the gaming community is its creation and management of virtual goods. And that means you can buy things. If it's in the gaming things, you can buy, I don't know, outfits. I know some of us are not probably interested in it, but gamers are. They want different clothes or whatever it is, right? A smart wallet. The Enjin smart wallet is a component that connects everything together. That's pretty cool, where the whole ecosphere is all connected through their smart wallet. Oops, I just blew right past it. Other features beyond these are the Enjin Coin also includes virtual goods stores, subscription services, trading escrows, top list items for items, servers, teams, and just other games that you can buy through their coin. So that one's just my little off the wall. You probably never heard of it. That's what that one is.